In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily install Google Chrome in Manjaro Linux. So first thing we need to do is just open the Add Remove Programs, the package manager of Manjaro. And I already have here pinned in my taskbar. You can also go to the applications and search for that. So this is the Add Remove software. Okay, the next step you need to do is to make sure that you have already installed all the updates. So you go here to the updates section and make sure that your system is up to date. All right, and the next thing we'll do here is to turn on the AUR, the Arch user repository, because Google Chrome is not available in the official repository, so we need to enable the AUR. To do that, you have to go here into the settings and click on preferences. Just type in your password. And you go to the third-party section and make sure that you enable this one. Right now I have it already enabled. So once that's done, just close it. And once you have enabled the AUR, make sure that you refresh the databases. Just click on refresh databases from here. And this will load up. Just wait for it. Alright, so it's done. The next thing we'll need to do is just go ahead and search for Chrome. Hit enter. Alright, so you will see here, if you go to this section, you will have all of these search results. Now, to get to the correct one, you can just go to the AUR and you can see here Google Chrome. And you will see here a stable channel. All you have to do is just click on this button to download it. Click on apply and click on apply. What it will do is it will try to build this application automatically for us, and it should be ready once this is done. Alright, so that's it. It's done. Let's confirm it here in the installed section. You can see it's already installed. Now we'll go ahead and search for it. There we go. Chrome is here. What's that? Let's pull it up. And I'm gonna make it as my default browser. Alright, perfect. So there you go. Let me just pin this here in my taskbar. So when I close it out, it's still here, and pull it up again. There you go. So that's how you install Google Chrome in Manjaro Linux. See you in the next videos.